Hi students, today I am going to tell about a short description of the early human evaluation. It is estimated that the first human-like creature appeared on Earth's surface on 5.6 million years ago. And the human being like us originated about 1,60,000 years ago. Through the PPT, we are going to know the short process of the human evaluation. Things which help to know the history of the early human beings. First, the fossil fuels. Second, the stone tools. And third, the cave paintings. And most of the three are exhibited through the archaeological excavations. Now, here we must have to say the role of Carl Fullrot. On 1856, some workmen were working for the searching of limestone near the German city of Düsseldorf. Suddenly they found a skull and skeleton which was totally strange to see. That's why they handed over to a local school teacher, Hermann Coffen's son. Carl Fullrot, and then Carl Fullrot made the plaster cast of the skull and sent to the Hermann Coffen's son. In later, they jointly published a paper and told that it was a skull representative to form a human that was extinct today. Here the role of Charles Darwin is also remarkable. Charles Darwin was known as the father of the evaluation theory. He published his book Origin of Species, marked the landmark in the history of human evaluation. Now I am going to tell about the story of human evaluation. Here we must have to see the chart. The first humans are divided into primates, hominoids and hominids. Hominids is divided by Australopithecus genus and Homo. Then third, Homo is divided Homo habilis, Homo erectus and Homo sapiens. And Homo sapiens is divided in between Homo neanderthals and Homo neanderthals on the founding of their place. The Homo heidelbergensis have been founded in Europe, Asia and Africa, and the fossils of Homo neanderthals have found Europe, Western Asia and Middle Asia. Now we have to know about the hominids. Hominoids. Subsequently, we find the skeleton of the hominoids 24 million years ago. It was a subgroup emerged among the primates, and it has smaller brain, and they were quadruped. That means they had to walk with 4 legs. Then the hominids. We first find the evidence of the hominids about 5.6 million years ago. It has upright postures and bipedal locomotives, and its brain was larger than the hominoids. That means the brain capacity of hominids is better than the hominoids. Then the type of hominids. Hominids is divided in between the two types, Australopithecus genus and then Homo. We can see that the Australopithecus genus have the smaller brain size but heavier jaws and larger teeth, where Homo, the brain size is small, light jaws and limited use of hands and small teeth. Type of Homo. Homo is divided in between the 3 divisions, Homo habilis, Homo erectus and Homo sapiens. Type of Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens is divided in between two places, two dividation. One, Homo neanderthals, and second, the Homo heidelbergensis.